Good morning, guys. Today I will be showing how to make the s'mores. The ingredients we have for food: some marshmallows, yummy, graham, and chocolate.
How about the other materials?
So we have one paper plate, aluminum foil, cling wrap.
So, how are you going to do it?
First,
Put the aluminum foil. Put it into a square. That, and put it there.
like that.
Put it on the plate. And
Put it on the plate. Then we put the graham.
like this.
Okay. For north, south, east, and west. Let's put the chocolate.
Okay.
Let's put them here. North, south, east, and west. What?
Then we put the marshmallows. Okay. North. Okay, maybe you can make it right down. Like that. Okay. North. South.
And then, after that,
Let's put the cling wrap.
you need Why are we doing the s'mores activity?
Because teacher said
No, what do you think? What will we learn from this activity?
the chocolate will melt and the marshmallows,
What will make the chocolate melt?
the heat and the light.
Oh.
And the big bright sun will make it be warm.
Really? It's done.
Okay,
Okay.
now let's put it on. Ooh. Now
Then?
let's put it on. After putting on the cling wrap, it's time for it to put it under the sun.
Okay. Go. Slowly. You'll bring the marshmallows. You let the marshmallows fall. Go.
Okay,
And what do?
we wait for it from 10 to 15 minutes. Hot! It's so hot right there.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Good morning, guys, again. Today, while waiting for the s'mores, we'll be doing sound energy.
What are the materials?
A tin bowl, cling wrap, a bowl, a tin metal spoon, and uncooked rice is here.
Okay.
First,
Uncooked what?
uncooked rice.
Okay.
First, let's flip the tin bowl over, the tin metal bowl over, then the
Cling wrap should be attached to the glass
glass
bowl.
bowl.
Careful in opening.
Second tip is to grab a scoop of rice and place it on the cling wrap. Spread it out. Then grab another scoop and make it as a line. Another scoop to finish the line. Then cover the rice,
The uncooked. And what's next?
then do like this. Can you hear that? That's
What is happening to the uncooked rice?
It's dancing
Because
vibration.
May I borrow? Can I try?
Yes. It's not dancing.
Why is it not dancing?
Only use this to dance.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So, what did you learn from this?
Right now, we learned sound energy, vibration, and why sound energy was noisy because of the vibration.
What other examples of vibration?
Try put your neck to your throat and
Your neck to your throat?
no,
Your
I-
hand.
no, I mean my hand to your neck
And then,
and talk.
what do you feel in your neck?
Vibration.
What, after the vibration, it produces
Sound.
sound energy. That's why you can
You can
talk.
talk.
Meanwhile,
A few moments later.
Hi guys, today I was done waiting for the s'mores to melt. So, let's open the cling wrap and eat it. Ew. Ew. How about the marshmallows
You hold the
here?
graham.
How about the
Hold
marshmallows
the
here?
graham.
Help the marshmallows
Wait
here.
lang. Transfer these things here to the other plate.
Ew, so sticky.
This one is the perfect one. Don't include me, Daddy.
Okay,
So?
gonna eat this.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
Good.
Eat the graham. So what did you learn today?
Today we learn about s'mores and he's smart painting
Yeah.
and also sound.
What did you learn from s'mores?
The very thing I ever learned today from s'mores. My favorite one is eating the graham and marshmallows.
Why is it
And the
melted?
sun and why it's bright, why it's hot, because it has heat energy and light energy.
Is that all for today?
Yep.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Drink water.
Okay. Maybe because of the chocolate?
Yeah, I think it's too sweet.
Yeah. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and me, Gabbee, the greatest show tell guy. Bye bye.